To kiss passionately, try starting out slow and gentle, then ramping up the intensity. For example, you might start with a long, lingering kiss on the lips. Then pull back a little bit so that your lips are still almost touching your partner's, and wait for a few seconds to build the anticipation for the next kiss. Next, try opening your lips slightly and see if your partner responds by doing the same. If so, you can try lightly touching their lips or tongue with the tip of your tongue, and eventually progressing into a deeper French kiss. You can also try gently nibbling your partner's bottom lip or kissing their jaw, neck, or shoulder. Remember, kissing isn't just about what you do with your lips. To really boost the heat level, get your hands involved too. Try running your hands through your partner's hair, caressing their face or body, or wrapping your arms around them and holding them closely while you kiss.